Welcome back, fellas and felicitas. Photograph chat is in the house. Topic J6061. It doesn't matter. 2H engine means diesel. Diesel means reliability forever. But my injectors maybe are shot, so I need your advice. I need your advice about injectors because the spray picture is kind of confusing for me, and the car was ticky McTacky making crazy noise. Should be the injectors, but look at this. So that's my setup. I got a gauge, pressure gauge to test the injectors. This one is installed, so hopefully you can see when I now pumping, pressure goes up. Woo! My safety wire is not installed, so I have to install the safety wire that the bucket is not on its way. So let's see, can you see? You can see probably nothing. Okay, this may be better. I don't know. Let's see this one. Does it look way too straight? Or what is the case? So they are all pretty the same. Without number 1 and 2, they don't hold the pressure, but the spray picture is the same. So I got more a straight line than a good fog. I don't know. This one was not so bad. The next one, number 4, is not so bad with the pressure. So it holds the pressure. But the picture is not that one I'm looking for, I guess. It has to spray, does it? I don't know. So please bloop it down, tell me what is the case with injectors. So I cleaned everyone, so they are laying around a couple of days, getting from the moisture a little bit rust outside, but they are good clean. And this is the tab in front of the injector. So please bloop it down. How is the spray picture? Is it good or is it shot? Just tell me. I need your advice. Follower chat is looking forward to get some comments about my injectors. Hopefully you could see the spray picture of the injector and can give me some advice. Is it shot? Do I need new front doodads for the injectors? Do I have to rebuild them, or was my cleaning enough? They were pretty worn of junk, but now are clean, and the spray picture I really don't know. Please bloop it down. Forward chat is thank you for that. And let's see what is the outcome.